As an estate planning attorney, I deal a lot with things, with bank accounts and with safety deposit box and jewelry and stuff. But at the end of the day, the most important things aren't things. And for the clients of mine who work with me, they know I care so much about listening about your family, about your legacy, about your religion, about your friends, about what really matters to you. And that is what estate planning is all about. It is at the intersection of people and things and emotion and family and all of that put together. And my clients really inspire me. I love listening to stories. I always have. And I want to give you 2 suggestions from people I have learned from, clients of mine throughout the year. 2 suggestions for you to think of as we go into this holiday season. The first is consider giving with warm hands. A client of mine said that to me once. I had never heard of that, and I thought it was great. So if you have that ring that you never wear, but your good friend loves it, or if you have something that your granddaughter always admires when she comes over, give those things to them while you're alive with warm hands so that you can see them enjoy it, use it, wear it. If it's gathering dust, in the bottom of a dresser drawer, give it with warm hands. You will feel so good, and so will they. And on the flip side of giving with warm hands, if you are in the position to financially help someone in your life, if you are financially set and there's someone in your life who's struggling, if a child of yours has a child of their own with special needs, or they're always behind, they've lost their job, consider, if you're in a financial position to do so, to give them money now, not after you've passed away. Sometimes getting somebody out of debt or giving them that extra boost, it makes such a difference. And consider whether that's appropriate for you. So that is giving with warm hands. On the other flip side is consider writing things down. The power of the pen cannot be underestimated. And so I have 2 examples of how that putting things pen to paper has really inspired me this year. One, I was at a client's house yesterday. And I have lots of clients like this, and I'm always impressed by them. She wrote everything down for her kids. Okay, now these are the Psalms I want at my memorial, and here is, who I want invited, and here is my password, and here is who to contact with the pension company. It's all laid out for them beautifully in these plastic sheets, and I have seen clients do this over the years. Some are still living and some are not, and I am here to tell you that is an act of love. And the family, it saves them so much time and energy, and they remember that stuff. They reflect fondly upon all of the work and effort that you did to put everything together for them. That's another suggestion. Along the same lines with putting pen to paper, I had a couple of cases this year where the client put on paper their wishes or their motivations or their thoughts and ideas. For example, I had a client who explained, why she made her middle child the successor trustee. I have had people put in writing why they chose to include someone kind of off the beaten path in their estate plan or not include somebody. And sometimes putting that stuff in writing really helps provide peace. It provides closure. It provides clarity. I cannot tell you how many clients tell me that they keep thinking about something year after year after year that happened 20 years ago when somebody passed away and an estate was administered. So use this time, the season, the time we're with family, we're thinking about ourselves, our life, our religion, our legacy, who we are, and think about what you can put on paper to provide some clarity if that is appropriate for you. So, give with warm hands, and if appropriate, put pen to paper. As we go into this season, I'm sure it will provide you a lift in your heart and some peace in your mind. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this information helpful.